You are going to love the 2020 UX. The Lexus UX Compact SUV is large enough to provide you functionality, but small enough to allow you to zip around town. An upscale interior reminds you that you're in a Lexus and will be sure to make you smile to know you're behind the wheel. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.